This conference will now be recorded.
Today we'll discuss about a record producer in ServiceNow. First, let me share my screen. So here we can go into our PDI. Before going to a record producer, I have one or two points. Let's see that points and we'll go start creating record producer. So first, what is a record producer is? It is a record producer is a specific type of catalog item where it allows end users to create task-based records such as incident records instead of requested item. The second line is saying that instead of creating requested item, it is used to create the task-based records such as incident records. In this incident records, or we can take any type of tables like incident record, incident table, or problem table, any kind of table what we have customized the table, right? So here we can go into our PDA without wasting our time. So how to see this incident record? So how to create incident record? Go to our PDA where type this record producer, record producer here under the service catalog we have a record producer. Click on this. It opens in a new tab. So these and all already created record producers. Before going to this creating new button, let me open one more tab. I'll tell you what is it is like. Let me open this, copy this one, this instance, and paste here. Here just type SP. SP stands for service portal. So there we have different kinds of record producers. I'm selecting this service catalog request. Copy this one. Here under this, we do have like knowledge catalog, request system status, and we have request something, knowledge base, get help, all kind of things are there. Let me select this here, service catalog category request. Once you selected and enter this service category request, so there we see service category request. Click on this one. Under this service category request, we do have some kind of form, right? This is the form. So we need to enter the department, category manager, comments. We need to mention like this. We can see the whatever the user is requested with the record producer, we can able to see in our service portal. So here go to our PDI. Here click on the new button. So before going to this and one more thing, go to this channel where I have created 3 videos on service catalog. So please go to this 3 videos, then you can able to understand how to create a variables and in the under the catalog items. Please follow these 3 videos so you can able to understand how to create variables and in the catalog items, variable sets, all kind of things. I have explained everything in detail. So go through these 3 videos and able to understand. So I'm stopping here. So come to our record producer. So here click on the new button. It opens in a new page like see. So here record producer with a new record. We need to enter the name. I'm giving name something demo. Let me type this. We are Vardhan Tech record producer REC. Yeah. So I'm giving name. See, Well, then take record producer. I'm giving the record producer name, and here this is the main thing. We need to select the table name. So don't forget to providing the table name. We need to mention the table name here. Just I'm creating selecting the table as incident table. Select the incident table, and this owner is system admin only because we are admin. So owner is system admin. Here we have new tabs. What it will contain: accessibility, generated record data, portal settings. All we have. So as of now, just I'm giving here what it will contain. I'm giving some name, server, server information, something information, and description. This is give something. This is server information, something I'm giving, right? Some short description and description. And meta is kind of a variable. We can select tags when you enter this meta, any keyword kind of things. If you want to enter any keyword on server or information, it automatically populates that related kind of name of the uh, record producer, right? The name itself it shows. So as of now, I'm not using this. Just save it once. And coming to once you save it, right? So we need to go down here. We need to assign that this catalog. Go down catalogs, categories, all kind of things. Let me show here. Right here, we do have this Vardhan Tech record producer will be where we need to store. Like here, go to your first. We will try this one, right? Then we can access, provide all those things. Let's try this one. How it looks. See, survey information. This is a short description. This is for a description, right? In this way, we can able to see. Just go click on this right click button, configure item, where we can see. Now go down here. Here we have a already we have created with what it will contain. And accessibility, we need to select this catalogers and category. First click on this accessibility, click on this catalogs, unlock it, select the catalogs. So here we have a lookup, right? Under this service catalog, I'm selecting this and lock it, right? And select the category. Once you lock it, it is enabled. Select this category over here. Category, I'm under this category. Let me search with any kind of this. Can we help you? I am selecting this, right? And generated record data is not necessary. Portal settings is not necessary. And here we can save it once. So once you save it, try it again once. So like this, it can able to see this form. So we have mentioned the catalog here, service catalog, and categories. Can we help you? So just select this name, and here refresh once this service portal. Here go to your catalog, search with that name. See, we got this one, right? In the service portal, we got this Vardhan Tech record producer, the name. When we click on this, it shows like this, right? Server information and the description of server information kind of things we can able to see in our service portal. Now, after this, how to create variables? I already shown you that channel. Go through that channel 3 videos. You can able to create variables, all kind of things. So yeah, one more thing here, we have a cancel button. So click on this cancel button. Check this, so we can able to cancel the once you save this. Before that, we can save this here. After saving, just refresh this one. We want to save it, and one minute, like it was. So first we'll enter this create a variables here, then we can able to see that cancel button. So first, and this one is like this, we'll be able to see I have checked the cancel button, can cancel checkbox. So let me create a variable, then we can able to see. Here we have variable section, create variable. Create a variable here. One second. Let me click on the new button. So I'm creating with the only two variables. Let me create two variables. The question is, so I'm creating with uh, some name. Enter, please enter uh, some name. You can give any name, customer name, and give the backend name here. So automatically it can able to create a backend name. So for this type of the variable, we can able to select with the reference. So that reference here, reference. This name will come from the table. The table type of the table reference is user table, sys underscore user table. Select that user table. Go down where we can see the sys underscore user table, and in a question, this we can give the information. Please enter customer name. Click on the always explain and mandatory, and give the order as 100. Let me save this. Now go back once. We can see that how our try it button, how we can able to see that form. So click on the try it button, so you can see like this. So once we have created the variables, I have select the cancel button, right? So we can cancel based on this. Check cancel right here. Let me show that one. Once you open this, there we see cancel button over there. Here, let me here can cancel. So we can able to see that. Just refresh this page once. How we can able to see this service portal. See, we got this indicates the required. Please enter customer name. Right. So I have given the this one, right, the same name, this accessibility here, expandable, right, in that variable name I have given the expanded, always expanded, so we can able to see like this, always expanded kind of things in our form here. Try this one. So for this we can go to our channel, we can see all the variables. So as of now I'm creating with only two variables. Now go to your configure item, and I want to create one more variable, that is something called as description. Enter description. The description is I'm able to select multi-line text, order give 200, and I'll give show help expanded like a please enter description, and the question I am giving is please enter description, or comments you can give anything. You got it. And multi-line text, and we have created. And let me save this. It is also mandatory, make it as mandatory, and save this. Go to your, go back once, go back once, try this button, let me see. So we got two variables, please enter customer name, please enter description. So when we select this customer name, what is happening here, we have a reference, right, sys underscore user table. So, and description, where it has to be stored this description. So it did not configure, right. So let me submit this, how we can see. Let me open my incident table, not list. Why I'm opening incident table means, when we are creating this record producer, right, we have selected the incident table. That's why I'm opening this incident table. As of now I have 74 records in this incident table. So once you submit this, so let me see any record is created or not. Once you submit this, please enter your customer name. Let me select something Vardhan Tech, and give any description. Show issue with server something, or we can give VPN, right, and submit this. Once you submit, right, so where it has to be created. So I said that I said that I have 74 records, right, and when you refresh this, it got 75, one record has been created. So just leave it this as of now. So what I want, why I want to say this: once you submit this form, the new record is created with previously it was 74. Now it has been created with one more record. Let me sort out this Z2A. See, this record has been created, right? This one as of now, the number 10009. This record has been created. So we don't have any description kind of things, right? So we need to map this things like where it has been created. This form we need to map the field values. So how to map these field values in our record producer? Let me see. So it has been this when you submit this form, it has been created with a new record, but we need to map the some whatever values in this field, right? So this one, so whatever the values in this one, we can able to map with the original in the instant field values we can able to map. So how we can map? So go to your what I'll do is I'll do one more field column in our, so that this is short disk for the short description. Let me go to your record producer and updated by, let me z z2a, this one, open this, and here even you can submit the form from this. So let us submit this form from this service portal as well. So as of now we do have 1000 is the records, right? So we have incident list is 75 records. Even you can submit the record from this service portal. So let me submit this record and submit with able total and something. My application is slow, something you can submit this. So as of now, once you submit this, so the record has been created. Let us check this, right? So we have 10009. Refresh this, we will get one more record, 10010. So this is the record when you submit the service portal, right? So let me open this, the same thing we have created, right? So it has been automatically created, right? So in using service portal, we can submit the form, request feedbacks, all kind of things, right? And let me add one more variable for this record producer for the short description, and create a new button. Short underscore description, something I'm giving. It is also mandatory, and single line text is enough. I am giving 150 because I want to get in the between two variables. Let me save this. Once you save it and I try this one, go back, and see here record producers. Let me open this. Here we can see the click on the try it button. We can see three variables. The first one is customer name, second one is short description, third one is please enter description for more details. And we got the cancel button as well. And so let me see in our this catalog, Vardhan text search with Vardhan. Click on this. right? So we can see this, right? In now what we have to do is I want to map this customer name. Let me open any incident form. Let me test with this 10007. Open this. So I have created in the form. Let me go to our catalog. So this form, in this form, in this record producer form, we have a customer name. This customer name is mapped to, like, we need to map with the caller ID of the incident table. So how we can map? Let me. And the next one is the short description is mapping with the this description, right? And the third one is this complete entire description will be mapped to our this description. So what we have to do is we have an option here, like go to your configure item. So go to your variables where we can see, go down here, go to your variables. Here we have a please enter customer name is the one variable field name. This is short description. Please enter description. We have three variables. Click on this, right? Click on this, the first one. Here there we have a the checkbox kind of thing. Here we have a map to field is there, right? We need to select this one. Now here in the form we have, let me open that form. This is customer name, right? So this is customer name. We need to map with go to your form here. So for this field name, please enter customer name is mapped to what field. So here we have a field called as field values. All field names are there. I want to map with caller ID. Here it is. Select this caller here, caller. Now save it. The second one, same thing. Go back. Once you save it, go back and for the second variable, please select the second variable and the second variable name is, go down, short description, right? So click on this. For this short description we have a checkbox kind of thing like map to field. Click on this. So which field you want to map? Once you check this, map to field, now we can see I want to map the short description with the field name called as short description message. We select that is here and save it. Now go back then and the last one is like description. Go back, go back and select third variable with please enter description here. Click on this one. Click on the map to field. It is opening. It is taking time. So once you check this map to field, we need to select the description field variable, des, this one, right? Save it. Once you save it and go back and try it once, try it once. So where we can see this form under your service catalog, right? In the service catalog, service catalog, click on this service catalog, self service. So this form we are clicking on the button try it, but the form is available in this service catalog. Here we can see can we help you, because we have selected the category and all this one service catalog and categories, right? So there we can see our Vardhan Tech record producer, this one, right? This one, click on this, it opens the same record producer what we have created just now, the same thing, right? We can see like this. So select the customer name, click on this something name. I'm selecting with so Vardhan Tech or something, enter short description, server issue, and we can have server is very slow, and also VPN something. I'm giving some text, submit this. So once you submit this, we'll see here, go to your incidents list. Here, go back, type the incident list. Let me open this incident list, and we have around 76 records. When you click on this submit button, right after entering this one, I'm closing this. So when you submit this form, so let me see the incident tables. We have 76 records, and I'll submit this one, this form. Once you submit, a record has been created. Able to trace must be member of apply. We'll see this later, but as of now we have created with 10011 record, right? What we have given in our form, that is came under this short description, server issue. Server is very slow, and also VPN kind of things is mapped with our this incident table of form level, right? In this way we can able to create this record producer. So instead of creating requested item, we can able to create with this one, right? With incident records, task based records. Instead of creating requested item, we can use this any kind of table, incident table or any table, problem table kind of things. And this and let me show you one thing. Even when you open this record producer over there, so this is also same thing, like we can submit the form from the service portal. Let me see this list of records we have. So I'm closing this. We have 1001 is a incident record. I'm closing this all, and see we have 76 records. Let me refresh as of now. So we have 77, right? Just now we have created with the short description. We can configure the description as well. So this is enough for this purpose. Let me open this form as well. Like we have created 100111 is a engine number, latest one. Around we have 77 records. So let me submit this other one something VPN issue, something new one, and IP server and VPN is slow. Something I'm giving some text. Submit this. When you submit this form, we see there is an record has been created with 100112, and let me go and refresh this. We have 76 records. Select this. So we have created with 1000012 this record, this one, right? 10012. In this way we can able to create the records using record producers. So you can configure this. We can add the description as well using these settings. As of now, this uh, VPN issues is short description. It is mapping with the let me open this. It is mapping with this description and short description as well. So in this way we can able to create the record producer. Even we can have instead of mapping, we can able to map with our using record producer with scripting also. Record producer. Let me open my record producer. So in this way we can see our record producer in our categories. So let me open my record producer over here, this one. So when you open this record producer, there is an option to create using scripting as well. So what happens is, so these all kind of things even I have discussed in our channel, like creating giveaway policies available for, not available for, all those ones. You can see that there. Here there is a script, we can able to create a script. So these are not all mentioned like comments. So what I want to trying to use is, so here we can mention something, current dot, current current dot backend name of this table. Let me open this table. I want to select this form level, or maybe the anything is there. Configure form layout. Email field is there. Let me see. Let me see any. Cancel this one. So you can see current dot. So what we do is current dot. We need to take the backend name of this. What I'm trying to see is email field. I'm trying to see if it is not there. Configure layout. Otherwise we can add this name email and all 40 medium something add. Maybe it was added. I'll configure up. After this name, caller ID, save it. So now refresh this incident page. We'll get an email field below this caller ID. So what we have to do is, we can create with this script where we have written this one current dot. We take the backend name of this. U underscore email. U sorry equal to, let me see that one, email equal to current dot current we can configure with the caller ID. Current dot caller ID cu caller caller ID. Caller ID maybe this. Let me see. For this scripting, I can make it later this video, and
This conference will now be
for this
recorded.
scripting we can see in the next. It was all over 45 minutes. For this scripting we can see in the next video. I can create with a different scenario. As of now, this is enough. So try it, and I want to create with some assignments like. So for this scripting we need to take some more variables, and we need to assign how we can able to see. So that's why I'm not creating as of now. We can assign with some variables and created instead of mapping. Here we have created with mappings, right? So instead of creating mappings we can use script. So we already mapped with the field names, so we can remove this, and or we can create with the new variables, and we can map with the using scripting instead of so deleting all kind of things. That's why I'm not able to creating with the scripting. I'll create with the new variables, and I'll show you how to create a assign this map to fields in the next video. So as of now I'm stopping this. Already we have around 45 minutes, so please share and like and subscribe to my channel, and let me so I'm stopping here. Like this we can create using map field. So in this way, this is a way to create record producer. So I have created my channel. Please go to this channel, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that we can get an alerts. We can create with a new uh, like notifications whatever I have created with the service now. So I'm stopping here.